this Jagannath is very particular about his devotee worshipping him with the proper care and attention. So these devotees gradually started to water down the puja. First there were 6 offerings, then it was 4, then it was 3, 2, 1, once a year. Then 1 year, they forgot. So Jagannath's whole family was completely wiped out by smallpox. The original love and devotion of Jogesh Ganguly, who had long ago gone back to Godhead, that had gradually been not maintained by the descendants due to their material distraction. So Jagannath was simply sitting there alone for a long time. Gradually he became covered over by a huge mound of white ants. About 80 years ago, a Brahmin called Chakravarti had another dream that there was a Jagannath Murti within a white ant hill. So he went there and he dug to find, and in the very middle, white ants are known also as termites. And Jagannath is carved of wood. And termites eat wood. In fact, termites in India are so ferocious, they eat anything organic. In fact, in Bhubaneswar, they put concrete down underneath the wooden almirahs for keeping closed, and the termites eat through the concrete and go into the wood. They're so ferocious. But somehow Jagannath, although he was within the middle of this termite hill, he was unscathed. He was as new as could be. So for 80 years, the grandfather, son, and then finally the grandson, they were worshipping, 3 generations. The grandson, 87 years old, he was the one who requested us to take over the puja, that he felt that ISKCON was the only organization in Mayapur and in Bengal who had the devotion and the capacity to properly worship Jagannath.